So this is how our long weekend of camping in Hoosier National Forest ended. Breaking camp in the rain is never fun, but when it's cold and rainy, it's even worse. But you know the saying, no rain, no rainbows. Well, this rain would lead us to one of the most beautiful rainbows I've ever seen.
He's back to the hand grinder because he ran the battery down.
And it's raining.
And it's raining. You didn't have to make coffee in the rain.
It's not raining that bad.
We could have got it. It's not raining very bad yet, right now. It rained all night. It was kind of nice. No, I say it was kind of nice.
Like big drops dripping out of the tree is basically what I heard.
Yeah. Okay. Does this smell good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I can smell it over here now. That's one of the best parts about coffee is just the smell.
Let's make it a little stronger. What do you say?
Okay. Yeah, because we'll only have the one pot this morning, so that'll be good.
You chewing a bean?
No, no. Only if they're chocolate covered.
One pot in our French press fills our travel mugs about 2/3 full. So usually we make one pot and we have cups just in camp, and then we make another one to fill our travel mugs before we leave.
Okay, let's see if there's anything else I can... We'd like straightened everything up last night knowing that it was going to be raining this morning, and now there's not really anything I need to do. Would you like me to do that? Okay.
The previous morning we had mentioned how we woke up with quite a bit of condensation in the trailer. Again, we're new to trailer camping, so this is something that we just have to learn to manage. So we did some things differently last night, and there was much less condensation this morning.
Okay, not so bad this morning with condensation. We slept with our heads at this end by the windows like we're supposed to, and cracked the windows open just a little bit. Ran that fan on low all night and had much less condensation. Left this window cracked open a little bit. So maybe if you sleep with your head where you're supposed to, that helps to reduce the condensation.
In case you're wondering, we were plenty warm even with the windows cracked open a little bit and that fan running.
Good thing the floor just lifts right out of there. And I have to hose it off when we get home. I don't know what kind of trees these are that hold on to their leaves like that. But they're pretty.
I'll have to grab my phone and
do the leaf checker thing.
take a look at it.
Not as pretty as you though, baby.
You're right. That was my line.
half a ball. Yep. Dead on.
Needless to say, by the time we got the stabilizer jacks up and got everything ready to go, we were both pretty soaked and pretty cold. We were glad we had our nice, warm, strong cups of coffee and a nice, warm truck to jump into.
Whew. Gotta love a rainy morning.
Why do I got to?
Because what else are you gonna do? But love it.
I'm gonna grump.
You grump all you want. We need the rain. We've been in a drought, so, and we'll try. It's okay. Have you tasted your coffee yet?
No, I have not.
I have not either. I think we need to have a drink of coffee.
I don't know about you guys, but I love driving in the rain, especially out in the forest like this. It was so peaceful.
No, keep going this way.
Hey, there's somebody tent camping there left.
Today was the last day of firearm deer hunting season, and there were some diehard hunters out here still. Even though our weekend ended in rain and Tim got hurt over the course of the weekend, we still had a great time. And our weekend was getting ready to end on a high note.
Looky.
Oh, look at the rainbow. I wonder if the camera will capture that. Oh, that's a pretty rainbow.
It's two of them.
Oh, can you? I see the, yes, just the hint. Maybe after we come around this curve, be able to see both of them. Sort of. Yeah, I can see it in that camera. No rain, no rainbows.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Jesus.
Oh, look at it
revelation.
there. My goodness. Oh, you can see the whole thing. See if we can get the whole thing. Wow. That is beautiful. I don't know that I have ever seen a whole rainbow before. That's amazing. Okay. There's the end of it.
Pretty picture with the rock.
Mm-hmm.
As if the double rainbow wasn't enough to top off our weekend, we caught several glimpses of a rainbow once we entered into Bloomington. We decided to stop in Bloomington for breakfast, and nothing makes Tim happier at the end of a camping trip than a stop for donuts. I was working in a donut shop making donuts when Tim and I got married, and he likes to joke that that's why he married me. We stopped at this shop called Square Donuts and got a few donuts for the drive home. It was a rainy drive home, about 4 hours or so, but traffic wasn't as bad as we thought it would be the weekend after Thanksgiving. Here in just a few more weeks, we're going to be headed out on another trip, and we hope you'll join us. Thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventure.